Hi, this is Jackson Phelps, and this is for my technical resource for computable thinking. Starting off, I'd like to be doing a lesson over the definitions of government, politics, and public policy and how they all influence each other. Now, as you can see, I've listed off the definitions and how these three kind of interact and how each one does affect due to the illustration or drawing, as you want to call it, that I made at the top of the screen. And I also did do some bolding too for each of the definitions, or for the words, not the definitions, but followed after the words in bold, you can see the definition. At the bottom too, at the very last sentence, I actually had a sentence that was kind of like a good reference for me, saying politics affect government, which shapes public policy, which is 100% true because politics do affect government, and the government kind of creates public policy, or in other words, rules or laws that regulate the public. Other than that, I think that this is really it. Thank you guys for listening to me, and have a good day.